In this video, I will share with you how you can install and configure SSIS for your SQL Server. So when you're doing the setup, you want to ensure that you get the exact version as this SQL Server instance that you have installed on your server. So here I have the SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition, and I'm going to launch the setup. Now select installation, then select new standalone installation. No updates found, so let's maximize and select next. Select next to continue. Then on this page is where you want to select add feature to an existing instance of SQL Server. From the drop down, you can choose your instance if you are running multiple instances. So I'll be working with my default instance and then select next. Uncheck and then select next. So under shared features, we want to select Integration Services. Then select next to continue. Select next and then select install. The integration services has been installed successfully. Now let's close and let's connect to SQL Server. Now the next step is to create our SSIS catalog. So you want to go under management. So you want to right click integration services catalog, then select create catalog, enter a secure password and then select OK. Our SSIS DB has been created. Let's refresh and now you can see the SSIS DB and the SSIS DB catalog. And that's basically how you set up your integration services for your SQL Server. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.